Passionate protests continue over the school masking debate. Now, a local doctor and member of the State Board of Education is urging the state to get involved. Across Michigan, some county health departments have already pulled the trigger, mandating masks in schools. Good evening, everyone. I'm Meg McLeod.
And I'm David Custer. For a majority of Michigan, including many in the TV5 viewing area, the decision lies in the hands of school districts. As TV5's Rachel McQuarrie reports, one local doctor is begging the state to get involved and protect students.
But there are parents, and the majority of parents want their children protected.
And that's why Pamela Pugh is urging the Whitmer administration to issue a mask mandate for all schools in the state. Pugh is the vice president of the State Board of Education.
This is a statewide issue. The orders did not have to be revoked. They shouldn't have been revoked. Our numbers are higher now than they were last fall. We have more children who are in the classroom for the first time since this pandemic has began.
But so far, her calls are going nowhere. Last month, she wrote Governor Gretchen Whitmer and the state health department requesting a mandate. This week, the agency wrote Pugh back and said no. Pugh believes it's because of politics.
We know that there are pressures from a Republican-led legislature who controls the purse strings, who we're at budget. We're at the brink. We're right at the 11th hour to get a budget out the door.
In its letter, the state health department says every Michigander knows that if you want to keep yourself and your loved ones safe from COVID, you should get your vaccine and wear a mask in high transmission environments. So for now, any mandate would have to come on a county level. And where mandates have been imposed, there have been protests and even death threats against county officials.
Unfortunately, we're living at a time where the people who are louder, who are more violent, are the people who are able to get attention.
And according to recent data from the Michigan Health Department, it clearly shows that over the course of school reopening, that COVID cases are much higher in schools that do not implement a mask mandate. On the behalf of pro-mask parents, Pugh is going to keep pushing the state government to change its tune.
To continue to ask the governor to continue to beg of the Department of Health and Human Services to protect their babies.
In Flint, Rachel McQuarrie, WNEM TV5.
In a statement to TV5, the state health department says districts and local public health leaders should work together to implement mask mandates. They also applauded the efforts of schools and counties that have mandates in place.